What if everything you need to heal, feed, and sustain your family has been growing wild for 10,000 years? While seed companies patent hybrid varieties and giants synthesize what nature perfected, our ancestors built empires. They used plants that asked for nothing but soil and sunlight. Most people don't realize this, but the plants are still here. Still powerful, still free for the taking if you know where to look. Today, I'm showing you 18 sacred plants. These plants built civilizations and healed generations. Stay with me because plant 14 launched global trade routes. And plant 18, it's the original superfood that allowed the Israelites to survive 40 years in the wilderness. Scientists call it the most nutrient-dense plant on Earth. We're decoding ancient agricultural wisdom for modern homesteaders. We're not just growing food, we're growing independence. Let's get our hands dirty. Here are 18 plants that built civilizations. It starts with a single discovery, a realization that the modern system is designed to keep you dependent. But when you hold these seeds, you hold the keys to a kingdom that no one can take away from you. This is the truth. Number 1. Emmer wheat. When the Bible mentions bread, it's talking about emmer, the original grain of kings. This ancient wheat variety fed the pharaohs and sustained Roman soldiers. But modern agriculture hides the truth. Emmer contains gluten structures that ancient bodies could digest easily. Modern hybrid wheats are the real enemy. Archaeologists found emmer wheat in King Tut's tomb, still viable after 3,000 years. It is a legacy. Ancient varieties have higher mineral content. Reclaim your sovereignty. The gluten isn't the problem. Industrialization is. Growing emmer today connects you to 10,000 years of wisdom. Bake the original staff of life and be free. Roman legions marched across continents fueled by this grain. It provided the sustained energy for empire building. Hidden in the dust of millennia, these seeds waited for us. They carry the genetic memory of a more resilient era. These plants aren't just food, they are the foundation of civilization itself. If they could build empires, they can build you. Number 2. Flax. Scripture mentions linen over 100 times, always associated with priests and holy garments. But flax isn't just fabric. It's food, it's medicine. It's the complete package ancient homesteaders relied upon. The same plant gives you omega-rich seeds, fibers for weaving, and oil for healing, a miracle of ancient versatility. Modern research confirms flax lignans fight cancer. Ancient Egyptians used it for everything from mummies to medicine. 100 square feet produces enough fiber for a shirt and seeds for a year. The plant asks for little. Growing flax transforms your homestead into an apothecary. It is the original ancient contract between humans and earth. The linen worn by ancient priests was more than clothing. It was a symbol of purity grown from the very soil they walked. Natural fibers possess a strength and durability that synthetic alternatives can never truly match. Nature is the ultimate engineer. Number 3. Pomegranate, a symbol of abundance celebrated in every ancient sacred text for its life-giving power. Ancient Israelites understood this fruit sustained life. Modern analysis reveals it reverses arterial plaque and protects you. Pomegranate juice outperforms pharmaceuticals for blood pressure. The ancients had results without the laboratories. Growing these trees requires patience, but they fruit for centuries. Some trees in the Middle East are very old. This is long-term thinking. This is how you build a legacy. Grow what lasts and feed your future generations. Carved into the very stones of their holiest places, the pomegranate was a constant reminder of nature's overflowing grace. The maps of the past lead to the security of the future. Don't let this knowledge be forgotten. Reclaim it now. Number 4. Aloe. Precious enough to honor royalty and prepare kings for burial in the ancient desert. The Egyptians called it the plant of immortality. Modern trials confirm it accelerates wound healing better than drugs. The gel contains 200 active compounds working in synergy. Science can't replicate this, it can only observe. Every homestead needs aloe at the door. One plant replaces a medicine cabinet. It survives drought and propagates. Cleopatra herself knew the secret to timeless beauty, and health was hidden within the thick leaves of the aloe plant. When 75 pounds of aloe were brought for burial, it was an act of profound reverence and medicinal necessity. Number 5. Frankincense. It was currency, medicine, and a global trade commodity that built ancient wealth. Modern research reveals it reduces inflammation as effectively as NSAIDs without any dangerous side effects. Truly powerful. Ancient priests burned it because the smoke treated respiratory conditions. It's a slow-maturing investment for your future. Caravans crossed treacherous deserts to bring this liquid gold to the corners of the known world. It was that valuable. The smoke of frankincense was the first airborne medicine, purifying the very air that the ancient world breathed. Number 6. Myrrh. Where frankincense reduces inflammation, myrrh kills infection. It was vital battlefield medicine. Ancient physicians trusted it to prevent sepsis. Research today confirms its power against even antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Myrrh trees grow slowly but live for centuries. This is generational medicine. Plant once and heal forever. Egyptian masters of preservation relied on myrrh to defy the decay of time itself. Its antimicrobial power is legendary. While modern antibiotics struggle against new strains, the shield of myrrh remains as effective today as it was in antiquity. Number 7. Olive. It sustained every aspect of ancient life: food, light, medicine, and wealth. Nutrition science validates the Mediterranean diet. Olive oil protects heart and brain in ways labs can't match. Olive trees live for thousands of years. When you plant one, you're not gardening, you're founding a dynasty. In Gethsemane, olive trees stand as silent witnesses to history, still producing fruit after 2,000 years of change. Imagine planting something that your descendants will still be harvesting in 2,000 years. That is true security. Number 8. Hyssop. Ancient rituals used it for cleansing, and its deep antimicrobial power was legendary. The ancients weren't practicing magic, they were practicing epidemiology. It treats respiratory infections effectively today. Hyssop grows in poor soil and provides endless harvests. It's the original immune support plant for the wise. During the first Passover, hyssop was the chosen tool for protection. Its structure made it the perfect botanical applicator. Every leaf is packed with aromatic compounds that fight off the pathogens of the modern world. Nature's original sanitizer. Number 9. Fig. Biblical kings used fig poultices for healing infections and recovery. It is a physician's fruit. Modern research confirms fig latex treats resistant skin conditions. These trees are low maintenance and high yield. When King Hezekiah faced a life-threatening illness, a simple fig poultice was the catalyst for his miraculous recovery. The phycin enzyme within the fig's latex breaks down diseased tissue with surgical precision. Ancient medicine at its best. Number 10. Garlic. Pyramid workers used it to maintain endurance and prevent disease daily for years. Garlic reduces blood pressure and boosts immunity. Alicin is a powerhouse of natural healing in every bulb. Growing garlic is homesteading 101. 100 square feet provides enough food and medicine for a family. The pyramids were built on the strength of garlic. It was the essential fuel for the greatest builders of the ancient world. Number 11. Onion. Onion's antimicrobial properties purify air and surfaces naturally. Ancient security for the home. Research shows onions reduce cancer risk and support bone density. They delivered antioxidants daily in the past. Onions store for months without refrigeration. They are the definition of ancient food security in any climate. During the dark times of the plague, the onion was the first line of defense, believed to absorb the very essence of disease. Security isn't found in a supermarket. It is found in the ability to store food that never spoils. Remember this. Number 12. Mustard. Mustard was medicine, used for centuries to treat deep tissue infections and pneumonia. Modern research confirms it fights inflammation. This plant grows where nothing else will, providing for the resilient. The intense heat of a mustard plaster increases circulation and breaks up deep-seated congestion with natural power. Number 13. Mint. Peppermint and spearmint have treated digestive disorders for thousands of years. Valuable medicine. Modern trials prove mint treats IBS better than prescriptions. It also increases mental clarity and focus. The great minds of the past used the sharp scent of mint to pierce through mental fog and maintain focus for hours. Number 14. Cinnamon. This plant launched global commerce and defined empires. It was more valuable than gold. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and reverses cellular aging. Ancient physicians used it for metabolic health. Empires literally went to war to control the roots of cinnamon. Its value was far more than just a culinary spice. Number 15. Saffron, the most expensive spice, but its true value is in its results for the human mind. Clinical trials show it treats depression as effectively as pharmaceuticals. It improves eye and brain function. In ancient Persia, saffron was the liquid sunshine used to lift the heavy weight of melancholy and brighten the soul. Number 16. Coriander. So essential it served as a reference for miracle food in ancient scripture. Essential. It supports digestion and regulates blood sugar. Ancient diets included it daily to maintain health balance. The science is finally catching up. Coriander seeds are a powerful regulator of the body's internal chemistry. These seeds once ruled the world. Today they can rule your health. Don't underestimate the power of the small. Number 17. Cumin. Ancient wisdom invested effort only in plants worth the labor. Cumin was worth every drop. Modern studies show it improves digestion and immune function. It thrives in poor soil and dry conditions. Cumin is the ultimate survivor, demanding almost nothing and providing life-sustaining medicine from the harshest lands. Number 18. Rue. This powerful medicine demands respect and deep knowledge for safe, effective use. Traditional use includes digestive and inflammatory treatment, sophisticated plant medicine from our ancient past. Reclaim it. In the hands of a master, the bitterness of rue becomes a potent tool for restoration and deep physical alignment. Number 19. The vine. Grapevines built societies, preserved water, and provided nutrition through the winters. Modern cardiology confirms wine protects the heart. Polyphenols defend our cells at the most fundamental level. When you plant a vineyard, you're planting for your grandchildren. It builds lasting abundance for your family. True wealth isn't money, it is a legacy of plants that continue to produce long after you are gone. Think ahead. Number 20. The seed keepers. These plants aren't products, they are sacred relationships with the earth. Every seed saved is a vote for independence. They serve your family for generations if you keep the covenant. The system is hidden in plain sight. It starts with water, soil, and the right genetics. Rebuild the foundation. Nature provides the inputs, you provide the stewardship. Together, you create a system that survives anything. Our ancestors knew where to grow and what to keep. Those maps are still relevant today. Follow the wisdom. Look at the growth. Look at the yield. These plants don't lie. They perform because they have 10,000 years of experience. One plant becomes 10, 10 becomes 100. This is the only compound interest that truly matters for your survival. You can transform dead land into a paradise of abundance. It only takes the right plants and a little time. And as the land transforms, so do you. Your health, your energy, and your peace of mind will never be the same. The ultimate realization is this: you were never meant to be a consumer. You were meant to be a creator. Stay free. The choice is yours, a lifetime of dependency or a legacy of independence. The seed is in your hand. What will you do? True self-sufficiency is about reclaiming foundations. These plants fed civilizations for millennia. They can feed yours too. Subscribe now to join our community of seed keepers. Ancient wisdom isn't nostalgia, it is insurance for your future. The most powerful pharmacy is in your soil. The most secure system is in your seeds. Let's grow something that lasts. Join us weekly as we decode more ancient secrets. Your independence starts with a single seed. See you in the garden. We are building a future based on the past. Don't be left behind. Subscribe and start your journey today. Food freedom is the ultimate freedom. Reclaim it, grow it, save it. We'll see you in the next discovery. The beginning of your new life is just 6 inches deep. Dig in. The ancients are waiting for you to remember. Visit our website for seed guides and planting maps. Your legacy starts now. The forgotten apothecary is yours to find.